Greater Anglia is offering the chance for young individuals aged 18 to 25 the chance to complete a 3-week work scheme. Today we're talking to previous successful applicants of the First Step into Role scheme to understand just how this scheme benefits you. Today we're here at Bewley Park filming a previous First Step into Role candidate, Ken, who now works as a customer service host.
Hi, my name's Ken De Silva. My first Step into Role experience was actually amazing. We went to a variety of different stations. We met a lot of great different people. We learned a lot about different stations and their different job roles as well. We learned about different protocols and just what to do in different scenarios. So I had a lot of amazing personal highlights. First thing that comes to my head is working with the amazing people at Chelmsford, meeting all the supervisors and the people in the ticket office, and just how friendly they were and how welcoming they were was a really good experience for me. And also me working with the conductor and just learning about their job role and how safety is their number one priority. Completing the First Steps into Railway scheme supported me in many different ways. It's given me a lot of different opportunities. For example, the job that I have now, being a customer service host at Bewley Park. It's helped me personally, just in terms of communicating, being helpful, communication, and just overall being a good customer service host and just helping people. In the program, on a day-to-day basis, every day was actually quite different. So we did a lot of different things during our time, whether it was station visits, or just learning different things about different people's roles. When the First Steps into Railway scheme, I had a conductor experience arranged by my manager, Matt. This was actually one of my favourite days during the scheme, as I was able to go on the train with the conductor, follow him up and down the train, just shadow him, just know a bit more about his role and how the communication is so important between the conductor and the driver. One piece of advice that I would give to someone completing the scheme is be friendly, be approachable, be polite. Everyone here is very welcoming and friendly, so just talk to them politely and you'll be friends with everyone.